How's it going, everybody? This is Billy. Listen, I want to talk to you very quickly about how you can go out and win your version of the CashFlow 101 board game that I want to be able to give away to you for free. Absolutely for free. So, you're probably asking yourself, why do you even want this board game? By being able to use this board game and play and practice this board game, it's helped me to be able to build a portfolio of cash flowing assets while living in Europe and investing in the United States that's helped now over $20,000 a month. Also, it's helped me to be able to go into my corporate job with a very, very different mindset each and every single day because of the skills that I've learned by being able to play this game. It's given me an opportunity to go out and meet like-minded people and also to figure out how to invest for cash flowing assets, giving more freedom and more time in the ways that I actually want to be able to do that. So how do you find out about the game? I'm gonna make it really, really simple. All you need to do is click the link, one of the links that's here in the video, and when you click the link in the video, you're gonna be registered to win. And when you're registered to win, if you want to increase your chances of winning, all you need to do is share it across social media. You can share it across your Twitter account, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, and every share, you're going to get more points. And then when your friends also share, you're going to get even more and more points. And so what that will mean is that you're going to get a chance to win or improve your chances of winning this game. What's the catch? There really is no catch at all. It's a matter of you being able to take action to have your chance to win your first board game or your second or third if you already have it. And so I guess the thing is you're gonna have to do this pretty quickly though, because the contest ends on the 13th of August of 2018. I'll be making the announcement of the winner on the 14th of August of 2018. So really want to make sure that you take action really quickly, share it across your channel, your social media, and be able to win. And so just really quickly as a recap, if you're interested in understanding how to create more cash flowing assets, if you want to be able to meet great people, if you want to be able to go into your corporate job with a very different mindset because you're creating cash flow on the side, this is the absolute board game that's going to help you to be able to do that. So make sure that you take action really quickly, click on the link and share across your social media channels if you want to improve your chances of winning. Listen, I'm really looking forward to announcing the winner, and I hope that it's you on the 14th of August. It's my 2 cents for today, and as always, hasta la próxima.